Hello, this is Vidura. Here the first part of the tutorial videos for the switching tool. We will make the most simple thing, a low side switch. Here is the switching module, the driver power supply, which is powered by a 12 volt source, which I have here, which is a battery in this case, a 12 volt lead acid battery. It can be also a PSU. So I have connected the supply for the driver power supply. I have connected the red and orange identified connector, which goes here to the input of the driver supply. And on the signal input, I have simply put the signal generator, which of course have been calibrated already. You see, I have it set to 10 volts. 3% duty cycle and square wave, of course. So in this most easy case, I only have to connect the negative supply to the source connector of the switching module and the positive of the supply to our device under test, which is can be any device, of course. And the other connector from the input coil here, the red one, goes to the drain of the MOSFET. Okay. For a better performance of the output pulses, we can put there in parallel with the supply an electrolytic capacitor, of course, which will enhance the power of the pulses. And so we will try, see what happens. I have here scope connected only for completeness. I will not go into details of the device, which is not important now. So, okay, now we have this thing running. It's at low power now. You adjust your signal generator as always, as usual. And okay, then you get some output, of course. Current above and voltage below. So, now if we want to change this thing for high side, it's very easy. It can be done very quickly just by changing a few connections. And yeah, be always aware to have properly safety your device with a surge protector. This one is boiling hot now, so we had quite high spikes here, spec EMF. So always be aware of this. It's preferable to lose some surge protector and not a MOSFET, which can be quite expensive. I have now changed the switch to high side, as simple as connecting the positive in the drain together with the capacitor and the source to our device under test, to the primary, and the other connector of the device under test to the negative. Okay. It can be done in 1 minute with this setup. Very easy, very simple. So yeah, and in this example especially, we see with the high side configuration we don't have this nice sawtooth wave. So it might be necessary to swap the polarity of the primary coil. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.